Hey guys, welcome to Paths of Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World Series, we are going to explore Orlando, Florida. Orlando is a city in Florida. Florida is also referred to as the Sunshine State, and for sure I can testify to that. We once traveled to Florida from Chicago. In Chicago, during that time, it was winter season. It was very cold and the snow. And surprisingly, when we just landed into Florida, it was so sunny and bright and warm. For sure, it deserves that name, the Sunshine State. Well, in Orlando, Florida, that is the home to the famous theme parks. There you will find the Disney World. And in the Disney World, you will find the Magical Kingdom, you will find Epcot, and you will also find water parks. You'll enjoy there, especially when you travel with family or even with friends or just alone. Then secondly, for those who love nature, you can visit the Harry P. Botanical Gardens. They are very serene and scenic. And not to forget, those who love movies and films, there is the Disney Hollywood Studio. You will get some good ones there. And lastly, for the beach lovers, in less than 1 hour drive from Orlando, you will get the Cocoa Beach. You will enjoy there, relax. For this and more details, check out my website, pathsofoasis.com, and like, share, and subscribe on social media handles. And also in the website, you'll get updates on our upcoming books on do-it-yourselves, on travel tips, and also on just lifestyle. Thank you. Until next time.